In today's video, we are looking at the devastating bomb which fell on Bank Station on the night of 11th of January 1941. We can see the shrapnel damage on the side of Mansion House, preserved in remembrance. As we turn the corner and pass Bank Station of today and look towards the Royal Exchange, it's hard to imagine the devastation of the bomb which hit the station's booking hall, killing 56 people. There's a remembrance plaque near exit 7 of Bank Station.